Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shrishti, and today I'm gonna show you what is Miniso essentials you need to have. Like, these are, I think, my Miniso must-haves you should include in your life because they are awesome. So before heading into the video, just comment down below and tell me, like, whenever you go to Miniso or whenever you go to mall for even a different purpose, you just check Miniso out. Like, if I might get something, or I just love walking through Miniso and seeing things, aesthetics, like pure aesthetics. I don't find many things very useful in daily life in Miniso, but there are something which you need, and I think your money will not go into waste. So I think it's a long enough intro. So let's get started. So my number one thing you should have and you should buy is Miniso makeup removal towel. So basically, I guess I don't need to tell you why do you need this. It is all over the internet. It has got a good highlight, and that hype is worth it, because, like, number one, a good replacement for cotton pads, like disposable cotton rounds. Second, cost effective. Third, disposable, washable. Third, washable. And number four, like, this is one of the most, don't judge me for that, I have used it completely. Now it's time for it to go in laundry. So yeah, it is one of the most softest makeup removal towel I have seen at this price point. Like, it retails for 250 rupees, and I have seen these around like 1200,000 bucks. I don't know why they are so expensive. I think because they belong to a certain makeup brand and they have their brand value, but they are still expensive. Like, why? Like, I have this, I have got this, I don't regret buying, and I just love this. This is one of the most soft thing my face has ever touched. So yeah, do buy it and you will not regret buying it. So that's that. So the next thing you need is this hand mirror. This is not a normal mirror, it is a two-side mirror, and one is just normal plain side, and another side is good, which is this is the only reason why I'm recommending you this. So the other side is magnifying size. Dude, there are two advantages to that. First, if you shave your face, or like if you want to examine your really magnified and into your eyes face, how it looks, grab it. Just grab it. Like, it just helps seeing your facial hairs and just helps shaving more efficiently. And yeah, like, it's quite good for the price. You are paying 230 rupees to get this mirror, and it's quite good. And now, second point is, if you want to see that your makeup looks bomb, just use this mirror, like the magnifying size. If your makeup looks okay in magnifying size, you can see your pores. Don't get, I can see my pores. Like, be real you, okay? Be your skin lover. Be your best skin lover. Your natural skin tone lover. Like, just don't go running around the internet for, like, how to get rid of my pores, my this and that, because it wouldn't be there if you don't need it, okay? Nature has given you something, embrace it, love it, okay? Your life will be more easier. So now let's come back to the makeup part. So if you want to see, like, whether your makeup looks okay in real life, see it in the magnifying size. If your makeup looks okay in magnifying size, it will look okay, perfect, and like best in real life too. So that's quick tip number 2, and you should buy it. So let's move on to the next. The next thing you need is this. Basically, it's a face pack brush. It's a silicone brush, and I prefer this over a hair brush because whenever you apply face pack from that brush, the product gets stuck, and at the end, if you apply it all to your face, like something is stuck and you're just washing it, it is just going down the drain. You're even wasting a DIY ingredient more, and you will empty it soon, and so you need to buy more. So that's why you need this. Like, it is very soft, very gentle, and it doesn't waste your product out. So yeah, and it retails for 150 rupees, I remember. So yeah, that's that. So the next thing you need or you must have is the alligator clips, because they basically come in a pack of 5 and they retails for 150 rupees, and they look like this, and they are very sturdy, very strong, and they like hold your hair like quite nicely, and they can be used to section your hair, for oiling, for applying mask, for straightening your hair, or just pulling your hair back whenever whenever you apply face packs or your makeup or everything. For everything you need this. I guess they are quite good. My life has become easy, like with my long hairs. So yeah, I think every girl who has a long hair should have it in their life. So the another thing, it's a good buy. It was essential for me. I was looking at it. I was looking for it for a long time, and Miniso just ended my search. So the thing is this bag. Like, I was looking for a bag like that, small, compact, and can accommodate my daily use items whenever I go out. So yeah, like, this is quite sturdy, very strong, and it consists of one pocket. Here I put my wallet, which I will show you next. So yeah, and yeah, most important, it retails for 450-ish rupees. Actually, it was on sale for 50% off. Otherwise, it retails for 1,000 bucks. It don't buy it for 1,000 bucks. Okay, just go for sale. Okay, and yeah, it has adjustable straps, and what more you need, a best buy. So yeah, so the another thing you need, because you can't use a big wallet and ending up consuming so much space in a small bag. So you need a small wallet for that, and this is how wallet looks like. Some card pocket, some like normal pocket and yeah, I have my another card and some money, and it retails for 190 bucks, and you can fit it like that over there. So you are saving up on space so much. So I think that's why you need this in your life. Otherwise, you can just skip that. So, and next thing you can have is this. This is some travel bag. You can use it to store your makeup, your toiletries, your skincare routines, your skincare, and basically it's a quite sturdy bag, and it is good quality, and it retails for 230 rupees. So yeah, that's you can buy if you are looking for some bags. So the last thing you must buy from Miniso, I think I have shown you this so many times, but I will show you one more time because it's worth his space. So respect the item. So the item is this color. Okay, it costs 150 bucks, and it curls your eyes to some another level. Sometimes don't sometimes you don't even need mascara, dude. Like, I can sometimes go mascara free, like it's that good. मैं कुछ कहूँगी नहीं इसके बारे में. सबसे पहले अगर जाओ तो ये खरीद लो या तो ये खरीद लो. Like just buy these two. कुछ भी मत लो, just buy these two and you will not regret buying and you will thank me. Okay, just come back and thank me if you will buy it and on my recommendation. Okay, do come back. Okay, now I have some more products, but they are my regret list. I know this is an essential video, but I just thought of telling you that Miniso is not something you should always put your money in. Just see whether you need it or it has that kind of utility. Don't buy it on just like looking, oh my god, it's cute. I know like girls get panic shopping attack. मुझे भी होता है, ठीक है, but I really need to hold myself whenever I enter Miniso. So yeah, just to show you how what how Miniso can be regretting too. So let's move on again. Please. I think it's too much for you guys also, but just hang on for some more time. So the first thing I regret buying is this hairband. The moment you apply this hairband on, within 5 minutes, trust me, you need Jhandu balm in your life. If you buying this, buy a Jhandu balm from a medical store in advance. I'm telling you, it gives you a headache, and I don't think I need to explain anything further beyond than that. I just hate it too much. So the second thing, I bought it, but I later regret buying is this cotton pads. Actually, I bought this cotton pads last year, and I bought the towel in January, like this year, 2020. I just used it to remove my nail polish, and other than that, I'm just trying to finish it off. And this is the last cotton pads disposable version I ever bought from money in my whole life. ये आखिरी है, इसके बाद इसकी श्रद्धांजलि दूंगी मैं. श्रद्धांजलि डिजर्व करता है, वो जमीन पे गिर गया है. Like I am messy. So I think this is the second last thing I regret buying. You can call me an idiot for that also. Like लोग तो इसे देख के लेते हैं ना, और मैंने तो देख के लिया, फिर भी sometimes I get stupid. So this is this perfume. Actually, it's a jasmine perfume, and after having this, I realized I'm not into floral scents. I'm into musky scents. So thanks for the enlightenment, and this enlightenment cost me 490 rupees. So I will always remember this. Let's move on. So the last thing I regret buying is this. Basically, it's a pouch to keep your earphones like intact, but it is so small. The space is not that much to accommodate my earphones conveniently. Like you need to really wrap your wire, and then you need to stuff it like that. I guess it will break my wire like in a very easily. My life of wire will decrease, like my earphone wire. So I just don't like it, and I regret buying it. So actually I now use it to keep my coins and chiller. Who doesn't have chiller? For that matter. And yeah, that is my last item. And now we are over with the video. Let's wrap it up quickly. And thank you for watching, and if you made it till the end, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and love you.